Welcome to week 8. In these lectures, we examine Indian English drama. We start from the 19th century Shakespearean influenced plays to the socially, politically engaged ones in the 20th century itself. We look at a historical overview of major early Indian English dramatists like Asif Currimbhoy, Gurucharan, Nissim Ezekiel, Cyrus Mistry, and Mahesh Dattani. In the later lectures of the week, we focus on Dattani's important play, Dance Like a Man, which brings out many post-colonial anxieties along with making the foundations of Indian English drama itself as a very important site to look at English's negotiation with post-independent India. Dance Like a Man has characters like Ratna and Jairaj who are Bharatanatyam dancers, and their clash with Jairaj's father Amritraj, who though is a nationalist, seems to be having very different ideas regards to gender roles. So the reform that he wants to bring out in the nation do not apply to his household. So we have very interesting debates which have already been taking place in other works that we have seen, like Bankim Rajmohan's Wife, where the domestic becomes a very important site and questions the nationalistic premises. Dance Like a Man brings out those questions again. Dance Like a Man also brings out very important concerns regarding masculinity, which becomes a very important theme in most of Dattani's work and also other dramatists' work, and also is a major concern in many of the other works that we also are going to engage with.